Hello, interstellar everyone. Welcome to class 11 biology. In this video on chapter 14 respiration in plants, we are going to discuss about amphibolic pathway and respiratory quotient. This is going to be the final video of the chapter. Thereafter, we are going to start a new chapter. Okay. But before we discuss about either of these two topics, let us take an overview of the entire aerobic respiration process. In the first step, when the glucose enters into the cell, inside the cytoplasm of the cell, the glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acids in these 10 steps. Right? And this is called as glycolysis. So glycolysis, it occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. And the end product of glycolysis, which is two pyruvic acid molecule, these two molecules of pyruvic acids, they will enter into the mitochondria. Right? First, pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl coenzyme A, right? And then the acetyl coenzyme A will enter into Krebs cycle. And this entire process, it occurs inside the mitochondrial matrix. And after that, the products of Krebs cycle, which are NADH and FADH2 molecules, these two molecules, they will enter into electron transport system, which is present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Right? And electron transport system or electron transport chain, it leads to the oxidative phosphorylation, thereby producing energy rich ATP molecules. Right? End product ngazula kharra gor labu impana ATP molecules ra gor. So dige sangma kharta go gore di cytoplasm nala chungore glycolysis like process the cytoplasm nala chungore ro citric acid cycle like the mitochondrial matrix nala chungore आणि electron transport system the oxidative phosphorylation दिखवाला चुंगोर ला वही में ना inner mitochondrial membrane नालो चुंगोर so end product देंगा जो खर रहा होगा ATP molecule रहा होगा तंगा जो कोया दिखा रहे ATP molecule by product खर खर छाड़ होगा ला वही में ना carbon dioxide दा water molecule तेला water molecule सुयुग दवा तेला गा जो खर दो carbon dioxide molecule मा थे युग दवा so glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water molecules, right? Thereby releasing energy which is used for the production of adenosine triphosphates. Hypothetically, khajusogor lambe 32. Hypothetically or theoretically, it leads to the production of 32 ATP molecules. So dus mata wahim na glucose ma chaya gaji process redo. Respiration la wahim na glucose is broken down. And earlier, people used to think of respiration as catabolic reaction and the respiratory pathway chumarwe dila khar la wor la wahim na catabolic pathway la wor nyamaina. But later on, they realized that respiration is not strictly catabolic, right? Respiratory pathway chorwa the catabolic ran remindus khatu ne ma cha de marishas. It is also involved in anabolic reactions as well, and therefore respiratory pathway de langa jung ming shimba ji kharla wor la wim na amphibolic pathway ke la wor is. Respiratory pathway is also referred to as amphibolic pathway. Why? Because the respiratory pathway is involved in both anabolism, which means building up process, as well as catabolism, breaking down process, and therefore it is considered as an amphibolic pathway, right, rather than strictly catabolic one. So respiration la the amphibolic pathway la wo yumze ha hoswa. It is involved in both anabolic reaction as well as catabolic reaction. The contest on what basis we are saying that? Na example kyan zo figure dilatana tigre kyan zo lotem nal remu dite erda. Din alo khare yor la wim na manzu ki respiratory substrate jo marwe. It is preferably khare carbohydrate chadu or carbohydrate nalo ne mixe ki khare glucose ti. It is the most preferred substrate of respiration process. But glucose checkbo mado respiration nalo dugo mare na mare. Even fats and proteins, right? Fats the proteins ke respiratory pathway nalo dothu or. Tadi dotan dikhantes rela wim na fats they can be broken down into fatty acids and glycerols. Fats nana khari ki soyore. Fatty acids the glycerol ki soyore. So fats can be broken down into fatty acids and glycerols. And fatty acid, it can be converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Fatty acid, the acetyl coenzyme A lama change che. And acetyl coenzyme A khajire. Krebs cycle nal zu bimba na respiratory pathway nal zu so. And dinangshi glycerol jumarwe. Glycerol can be converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Right? Glycerol can be converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and then this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate can enter into the respiratory pathway. So fats ke respiratory pathway na ma zuye do. Dita chikpa chikya proteins can also enter respiratory pathway. And proteins, they are broken down into individual amino acids. Amino acids can be converted into pyruvic acid, or other amino acids can be converted into other intermediate molecules of Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle na intermediate molecule mangbuyo citric acid, alpha ketoglutaric acid, succinic acid, malic acid, oxaloacetic acid. All these acids can be produced from these individual amino acids. And it produce they can enter into Krebs cycle, thereby entering the respiratory pathway. So fats, the proteins ke do respiratory pathway nal zugdo. Up till now we have been talking about the breaking down process. But now let us think about if the body does not need energy. You see, body la energy gu mewache. Energy mang thosho raworda. Now if the body requires building up process, kesi protein ya fats for example, we can take a person who is eating too much. Energy ya tha jo raworda. Ta kharchi silu sagro sobunanglo. Silu sadu zambala khande sagore la if you eat too much, the products, right, or the intermediate molecules of respiratory pathway, they can enter into the building up process. For example, carbohydrate ne du smacha yung du zambala acetyl coenzyme A lali du zambala. Acetyl coenzyme A can leave the respiratory pathway and can convert into fatty acids. Fatty acid ma acetyl coenzyme A convert che yo nangshi acetyl coenzyme A de kharla convert che yo re fatty acid la convert che yo. So acetyl coenzyme A the respiratory pathway ne ma thwen fatty acid sugu yo bi ba na di kharcha du re building a process cha du. Chikpa chikya glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate the glycerol la convert cha wi ba na. Ani yang kharche building a process cha re because fatty acid the glycerol ni dia journey yang kharcha du re fats cha du re which is a large molecule. Okay, so acetyl coenzyme A, if it leaves the respiratory pathway, becomes fatty acid, and fatty acid is used for the construction of fats. That means it has entered into anabolic pathway. So the build-up chaswa. Pyruvic acid, the amino acid la convert cha amino di nalo le yogi molecule khashi amino acid la convert cha ni protein soya la phechu chigi yo bimba na ko kharcha re anabolic reaction chaswa. So the respiratory pathway it is involved in both catabolic reaction as well as anabolic reaction. And the imbasonza respiratory pathway la ngazu khalla amphibolic pathway ke lagor. Simple. So you can write answer for this particular question. Ani da amphibolic pathway lago express cheture. Why is respiratory pathway referred to as amphibolic pathway rather than catabolic one? Support your answer with suitable examples. So example okay. Respiratory quotient. So now the second topic is respiratory quotient. Right. So respiratory quotient the ratio of volume of carbon dioxide evolved to the volume of oxygen consumed in the respiration is called as respiratory quotient or RQ. It is also called as respiratory ratio. So respiratory quotient volume of carbon dioxide evolved divided by volume of oxygen consumed. So kunyi ratio carbon dioxide khaju oxygen khaju consume chagdo. Kunyi ratio de langazu khalla respiratory quotient lawor. And the respiratory quotient ki ratio jo maro thanga jo maro thangze di khalla ra legre lawo impana it depends upon respiratory substrate. So the respiratory quotient depends upon the type of respiratory substrate used during the respiration process. Okay, so for example, when the carbohydrate molecules are used, carbohydrate molecules like glucose, sucrose, when carbohydrate molecules are used for respiration process and when they are completely oxidized, the amount of oxygen consumed is always equal to the amount of carbon dioxide evolved. So therefore, respiratory quotient it is 1. So carbohydrate ki respiratory quotient it will always be equal to 1. Oxygen ki thanga oxygen khaju consume 2 consume carbon dioxide khaju ma release 2 ma so 2 molecules of oxygen gas or 6 molecules of oxygen gas is used for the production of 6 molecules of carbon dioxide in the respiration process for the breakdown of carbohydrate. So therefore, respiratory quotient of carbohydrate is always equal to 1. Now, if fatty acids and proteins are oxidized, fatty acids the protein ma oxidized chewi by na respiration ma zudu yo na their respiratory quotient is always less than 1. Katwin 1 le nyua or for example, can azlote nalola tripalmitin laidikaji example te do, which is a fatty acid called tripalmitin molecule desh te do. So tripalmitin isi koma breakdown chewi by na the respiratory quotient is less than 1 khazur to 0.7 to the 0.7 khachinre carbon dioxide khazu suyudo 102 molecules of carbon dioxide is evolved. How many oxygens are consumed? 145 molecules of oxygen gas is consumed. So khazu chas 0.7 when you divide down 0.7 chadu. And for proteins, the respiratory quotient is about 0.9, 0.9 really. But important thing to remember is pure proteins or pure fats, they are not used as respiratory substrate. Konzuigi ma breakdown chiyogi and the byproducts chorwa. Then so kharchi gore respiratory pathway na zutu gor mado. Koranzo strictly respiratory pathway na zugor lago marta. So they are not used as respiratory substrate. Which is the preferred respiratory substrate? Carbohydrates are the preferred respiratory substrate, especially glucose. Carbohydrate shimba mangbo yoyo dige samahajir thangbo macha ani glucose la convert chigre and glucose the respiratory pathway na zugor. And with this we have come to the end of the chapter, right? And thereafter we are going to start a new chapter. So I will let you know which chapter we are going to start. Okay, so 3 dagara inda ani kira zuta loktem nalo te sha yu question exercise question joro dige kira zu tidem nala ma ti answer ti ro ani kezi tokjo yo bin bena kira zonga ti wa tangsho. Oh yeah.